So finally CAT ka form is out, so you can fill the form in the next few days. We have enough time, but if you can fill the form today, there are two advantages. A1, you can get the center of your choice. You can get a better center than you would get otherwise. Second advantage is the moment you fill the CAT form, you'll become serious about the CAT preparation. So if you're planning to fill the form after 2 weeks, it's better to fill it now so that you immediately become serious about the CAT preparation, because abhi paisa bhar diya. Now we have bought the ticket, so now we have to work hard for the thing. So in this video we'll talk about how to fill the CAT form. So first go to their website iimcat.ac.in. So you'll have the login, the front page which will come up, and there you have to go to the new candidate registration. That's step number 1. Go to the pin link and go to the register now. Then they'll ask you to fill the details right from your candidate name, your date of birth, address, confirm address, mobile number. Okay, that is your date of birth. Your name have to be as per your 10th ka certificate, so make sure that it is same. If you have changed your name because of a marriage or because of other circumstances, then you have to produce the affidavit as well, not now but during the admit card, during the exam. Fine, so then they'll ask you for an OTP validation. So you'll get an SMS on your mobile. You have to send that, you have to submit that OTP number and give this declaration, I agree, and then submit. So with this, this will complete the first step, that you have registered for the CAT form. You will get an SMS as well that you have registered. Fine, so I'm also conducting this workshop this week in Mumbai. So if you are based in Bombay, please do attend the workshop about how to target CAT in last 100 days. So we got exactly 105 days, mota 100 days left for the CAT exam. So how to plan your study in the 100 days, that's the agenda of the workshop. So workshop details are available on cetking.com/CAT. So just register there, or I've given the numbers in this comment box. So please do call us in case you want to register for the free workshop. Okay, so this is step number 1. So this will ensure that yes, your user ID is created, and they will send you the password on the mobile number. So please save that ID password, email that to yourself, to your father, to your mom, so that is safe, because that user ID password we are going to use till March. Okay, and trust me, it will become very difficult to track the user ID password on your SMS, because you are going to delete your database. If not till obviously Jan, it will be gone. So you अपने आप को save कर लो सारा कुछ. So this will complete the step number 1. Okay, then we'll go to step number 2. It will ask you for your photograph. So after submitting your photograph, that's the main problem here. The photograph have to be same as what you are going to put in your admit card. So make sure you have around 10-15 photos with you and take a photo of that photo. Okay, and main thing to understand is the size should be maximum 80 KB. So you have to reduce the size of the photo, which you can use the software, or in Word, in MS Paint you can do also reduce the size of the photo. So size of the photo and your signature have to be less than 80 KB. That's the main concern. The maximum time is going to be wasted here. And same thing you have to do for Snap also, other exam, CET also. So एक बार वो photo and your sign खींच के रख लो, size less than 80 KB, so that we can reuse the same photo and sign everywhere. ठीक है. So once you submit this thing, they'll ask you for your 10th ki mark sheet, 10th ke marks and all, and your 12th ka mark sheet, degree, 10th, 12th and the degree. So you have to submit your degree ka marks as well. So if you are in college and you passed out, you have to take care of that part. Now comes the CGPA. CGPA, we have to follow the university rule. For example, Mumbai University gave a grade A, B, C, D, and every grade there is a percentage attached. Like grade C is 63% or 55%, grade D is 49.9%. So what is the grade marked in that, you have to follow that grade system. Or you can take average of 100 marks. If it's CGPA, so whatever the CGPA marks, maximum marks convert into 100 and then find out. For example, I got 7 CGPA out of 10, so that percentage will become 70%, because 10 will become 100, 7 will become 70. If your CGPA is, for example, 7 out of 9, so convert 9 into 100, and then, for example, 7 by 9 into 100. Find out the marks, use that marks. Okay. So CGPA you can convert, or simply take the average of all the SEMs. So for example, I'm a BCom, so I'll take all the 6 SEMs, total marks, like 500 marks paper into 6 paper, total 3000 marks. Out of that, I've got 2000, 1800, 1700. 1700 divided by 2000 into 100, that's my percentage. Otherwise CGPA equivalent you have to put here. So degree marks and 10-12 ka marks. Alright, this is for the work experience people who have work experience. If you can get a work experience certificate, great. In case you are not able to get the certificate immediately, no problem. You can update this work experience when you get a IIM calls. This is only for the CAT purpose, so it's not that big deal. If your work experience is not in the listed thing, put others, and then you have to specify. For example, I work in a coaching classes, so I'll put others, education, and number of months of experience you have to put here. Work experience.
Yeah.
Okay. So once you are done with this thing, then you have to fill the choice of the interview, where you want the interview location and which college you want to apply. This is free. You can apply to all the IIMs, IIM Lucknow, IIM Kozhikode, all the IIMs Nagpur, Raipur, all the IIMs, all the programs are included in the CAT fees of 1900. So once you fill the CAT ka form, all the things included. So my advice is very simple, tick mark everybody. For example, one of my students last year only ticked IIM Ahmedabad, that I only want IIM Ahmedabad, because at that time he was in final year engineering and then he could think that he can do it again. वो इस बार दोबारा एग्जाम दे रहा है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली नहीं हो पाया. तो माई टारगेट इज वेरी सिंपल. दो यू हैव IIM Ahmedabad एज अ ड्रीम कॉलेज, बट वाई नॉट यू टिक मार्क एवरीथिंग. न्यू IIMs का इंटरव्यू दे के आएंगे. इन केस यू डोंट वांट, स्टिल गो फॉर द इंटरव्यू. एटलीस्ट टिक तो मारो. दे नॉट चार्जिंग एनीथिंग एक्स्ट्रा फॉर दैट. सो माई एडवाइस, टिक मार्क एवरीथिंग. FMB प्रोग्राम, ये प्रोग्राम, वो प्रोग्राम, टिक मार्क एवरीथिंग. बाद में देखेंगे कहाँ जाना नहीं जाना, कॉल आएगी तो देखा जाएगा. For example, here IIM Lucknow have got 4 courses: PGP, which is the main program, PGP, ABM, Agriculture, PGP, SM, and FMP. My advice: tick mark everything. There is no loss in tick marking everything. Rather than बाद में rewriting that you missed the cutoff or ABC, it's better to tick mark everything. So tick mark everything, all the colleges. City preference you can give. Like for example, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, whichever nearest to you, you can give the choice. Okay, now comes the main part, is the city preference. You have to give 4 preferences. Earlier within Mumbai there were 3-4 choices available, like Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, there are 4 options. Now they've removed all, only Mumbai is the option. So be prepared to travel a little bit in case you're not getting a New Bombay center. For example, if you're based in New Bombay. So Mumbai, Ulhasnagar. If you are based in Mumbai, Ulhasnagar, Pune, Goa. These are the 4 choices which I have put in my CAT form. So whichever 4 choices you think you can do. So number 1 Mumbai for Mumbai student, number 2 Ulhasnagar. Ulhasnagar is also there. So check out the list, check out all the centers which are there, and then choose according to your choice. For example, rather than going to Nagpur, I would prefer going to Punjab because that's my hometown. At least I have a house there. I can go 2 days in advance, relax, and then give the exam, because I don't prefer to stay in a hotel before the exam. Together, choose a center where you know somebody, where you can live at home, have a home-made food. I don't want you to stay in a hotel, eat outside, because that will affect your scores. Okay, then it will tell you to fill the fees. So 1900 is the fees, you need to pay the fees, and after paying the fees, your application is successfully submitted. So that will end your requirement. Okay. Also check your mobile. You might have got 3 SMSs. 1 when you get the OTP number, 2nd when you successfully submit the form, and number 3 when you get the payment. So 3 SMSs you will get. So 12:43 I started the process, 11:10. So it's a 30 minutes ka process to fill the form. Okay. So if you have any more question, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to reply. Fine. All the best. And this is the first step towards success in the CAT exam. So hopefully you do well. So do subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to upload more videos like this about CAT and other exams. Alright, all the best. Thank you.